welcome to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're looking at a 2012 F-150. This one is a 3.5 EcoBoost turbo. It's also a Platinum edition, so it's fully loaded with all the options. This one has 133,000 miles on it. It's a really nice truck. Truck is very clean on the outside. No major body damage. Maybe a few rock chips here or there. It does have a bed cover over top of it. Take a look. It's got a full bed rug inside. Take a look at the inside. Has full leather factory nav. Can't forget about the powered factory step rails. Oh yeah. Hop inside. This is what it looks like sitting in the driver's seat. Does have a rejection sticker on it for right now. Failed for a couple minor things like sun strip is past the ABS line. Little minor things like that we got to get taken off and re-inspect it. Take a look at the brown Platinum seats. Leather is in really good condition. No major stains, no sunspots, nothing like that. Factory navigation. And also, can't forget, sunroof. Truck is in very good condition. Back seats are in just as good of condition. Truck's all locked up. As you see here, carpet is super clean, no major stains at all. Seats also in very good condition, as you can see. You got two backseat plug-ins here, those long road trips. AC back here also. Doors are in good condition. No major stains. Sony speaker systems. So the truck does have very good radio and speaker systems already installed. Thank you for taking a look at it. Come on, take a look at it in person. Deluxe Motorsports. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all that.